Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing recipe to whiten yellow teeth and to turn dirty yellow teeth to pearl white naturally at home with very simple ingredients. It's super effective and super helpful method. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of alum powder, and if you don't have alum powder, get the alum crystal and grind it fine into a powder. It's going to look like that. And add 1 teaspoon of alum powder, then we need 1 teaspoon of cloves, and I'm going to leave the ingredients into the description box for you. If you don't have cloves, get the cloves like that and grind it fine into a fine powder, and add 1 teaspoon of grinded fine cloves. Now mix the dry ingredients together like so. Then we need 1 lemon, and cut the lemon in half and squeeze the lemon to get the fresh lemon juice. Now mix well all the ingredients. Now once we mixed all the ingredients like so, and we got this recipe ready, with an aid of your toothbrush, dip in the toothbrush into the remedy like so, and brush your teeth with it. It's going to whiten the teeth for you in just 2 minutes. Use it at night and in the morning to get rid of any kind of black of the teeth and any kind of teeth tartar. It's going to whiten the teeth and leave it clean naturally.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.